Hello, in this video I am going to show you how an image file like a JPEG file converted into a text document using Google Drive. All you need to do is take your image file and drop it onto your Google Drive. Go into the option of New, then click on File, select your file and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, right-click on the file and click on Open with Google Docs. Google is going to go ahead and open your text image, and you will notice that the top portion of the document is actually a copy of the image file itself, so you can't really edit this part. But you will also notice that underneath it, what Google Docs did was it took your image file and it converted the image text portion of it down here into simple editable text. Now if I wanted to save it as Word document, all I need is to copy text from here and paste it into Word. This is how you can take an image file and convert it into an editable document. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel.